How to create EA account. So if you want to create EA account, then first open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with. And I'm here with Chrome browser. Simply go for the search bar and search for EA account login. Once you've searched, you can go for the first search and it will take you to the website, right? So now you can simply go for profile, which will be on the upper right. Click on that and then go for create account. And here you can create your account by using one of these existing accounts below, or you can also enter your country or region on the first, and then you need to enter your date of birth on the next. Once you've entered, click on next and then enter your email address and then your EA ID. So this is how your friends can find you in the application or in EA games. So you need to enter the EA ID as your nickname or anything. And then you need to enter your password on the next. And once you enter your information, click on next. And now you need to choose your profile visibility. So you can choose my friends or everyone or friends of friends or private. So you can set your account private if you would like to, or you can set my friends or everyone. I'll be choosing my friends. And then you need to click on this box if you want to allow players to find you with your email address. And if you want to get some emails about EA products, news, events, and promotions, then click on this box and then click on this last box. It is compulsory so that you agree to the user's agreement and the privacy and the cookie policy. And once you've done that, click on create account. And you need to enter the verification code which you have received to the email address that you have just entered. So enter your or open your Gmail account. And here you will have your security code, right? Simply copy the security code and paste that here. And then click on next. And that's it. Boom, you're done. So that's how you create EA account. And now you can use your EA ID or email address to access EA products and services. Click on finish. And that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.